Welcome friends. Let us take out a card quickly and let us see what is the message there from the divine for you. It says, appreciation dissolves all blocks to the presence of my super attractor power. Well, hello friends and welcome to the reading for the month of July 2020. So in the last episode my query was after which person the month of August was named. So the month of August was named after Augustus Caesar. August is the 8th month of the year in the Gregorian calendar and its predecessor the Julian calendar. The month of August was originally named Sextilis in Latin since it was the 6th month in the ancient Roman calendar. The name of the month, however, was changed to August in honor of Augustus Caesar in 8 BCE. And my question to you for this episode is, name the archangel that we call upon for protection. Answers shall be declared in the next episode, so keep on watching. Do remember to watch till the end to see a Vastu tip to see how to ensure that time is in your favor always. So my dear Virgos, come join me as I take you on a journey of tarot cards and planets to see what the month of July holds in store for you. So today we are going to choose the cards with the help of a pendulum, and this is a pendulum which is attuned to my mind. So show me yes. So this is rotating, it means this is yes. Show me no, this is sideways, so this is no. Will you help me pick up the cards for the Virgo? Yes, so please pick a card. Please pick a card for Virgos for the month of July. This is the card. So 4 of Cups. So this card shows that you are so engrossed in yourself that you are absolutely missing a wonderful opportunity which the universe is offering to you right now. If you are in a relationship, then this card sure says that you're missing the other person. And in this week only we have a lunar eclipse which is happening on the day of full moon, or Guru Purnima as we call in India. It is happening at 8:37 a.m. and it will last till 11:22 a.m. So the thing with eclipses is that these eclipses are like gateways. They are clearing the old energy which is no longer required in your life, and they are putting you on a path of destiny. And now let's pick up another card. Another card for the Virgos. One more card please. Is this the card? Okay, I'll take it out. So the second week I have for you is a 10 of Wands. So this shows that you yourself have taken on the load of lot of people. You are carrying other people's responsibilities, and you can see this man is carrying a load and he can very well reduce his load, but it is his own initiative. So the card says that you need to delegate the duties to other people. Let the other people do their duties, you just do your own work. And now let us pick a card for the third week. Please pick a card for third week for Virgos. Is this the card? Okay, so let us see what this card says. Wow, this is 3 of Wands. As you can see, this man is standing on a shore and his ships are sailing in. So similarly, you have really worked hard, and whatever you worked hard for, that is going to fructify and give you good results. Business is going to be good, so is your career. And in the same week we have on the 12th of July Mercury going direct, ending a long period of miscommunication, misunderstanding and delays. And then on 14th of July we have Sun, the life center of this universe, transiting into Cancer. And now let us pick up a card. Let's see what the pendulum will pick for you in the 4th week of July, Virgos. Please pick a card. Please pick a card. Is this the card? Okay, so this is the Page of Pentacles. Wow, so Pentacles represents money and Page represents message. So there is a message of money going to come in for you. Maybe some kind of payment which you had forgotten about, some PPF, some FD was maturing and you did not remember. Some unexpected amount of money can be coming in. Also it implies if you had applied for a job, you could be getting a better job somewhere. And now let us pick up the last card, and now let us see what this week finally has in store for you. This week, now let us see what this week has in store for you. So this week has Two of Pentacles. Wow. So this means you are juggling a lot. I mean, really juggling a lot, and you might have to balance more than two things to earn money, or maybe you're trying to do simultaneously, you're trying to do two jobs, or you're doing your side business on Saturday and Sunday, and the rest of the you're doing a normal job. So this talks about you will have to balance, but you will have to make a choice. You always cannot keep on juggling these two things, so be careful. And so that's all for this episode, guys. Remember that happiness is a habit and we all need to cultivate it. And now let's have a look at the tip of the episode. So this tip says that our clocks should always be all on the north or the eastern walls of our bedrooms, drawing rooms, living rooms. And till the time we meet again, this is me saying namaste.